हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू डॉक्टर सोरस क्लासेस। और आज हम लोग करने वाले हैं आईएसएस मतलब इंडियन स्टैटिस्टिकल सर्विस का पेपर 3 का जो रिसेंट एग्जामिनेशन हुआ है उसका ही पेपर का सॉल्यूशन। अगर आपको हमारे तरफ से कोई क्लासेस की ज़रूरत है, डाउट क्लियरिंग सेशन, प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन सॉल्यूशन, मॉक टेस्ट, स्टडी मटेरियल, एनी ऑफ दैट, प्लीज डोंट हेजिटेट, प्लीज कॉल और व्हाट्सएप ऑन दिस नंबर. Dr. Soros themselves reply to your query through WhatsApp. Okay, so let's start with question number 4. What will you say the question number 4? A population is divided into two strata such that the ratio of their sizes n1 and n2 is 11 and the ratio of their standard deviations is sigma 1 and sigma 2 is 9. So the ratio of the sample sizes for an arbitrary allocation is n1 by n2 and the Neyman allocation is n1 dash by n2 dash. The ratio of the n1 by n2 and n1 dash by n2 dash is 2 if the objective is to estimate the population mean by taking with replacement samples from within strata. Compare the precision of the two allocations. Okay, so how can I solve this problem? So n1 and n2 define sizes of strata respectively, and sigma 1 and sigma 2 defines the standard deviations of strata 1 and strata 2 respectively, and n1 n2 is the sample sizes for strata 1 and 2 under strata 1 and strata 2 under arbitrary allocation, and n1 dash and n2 dash is the sample sizes for strata 1 and strata 2 Neyman allocation. Standard sizes for for strata 1 and 2 Neyman allocation. Neyman allocation n1 and n2 dash. And what is the n? N means n1 plus n2, that means total population size. And what is the small n here? Small n here is n1 plus n2, that is equals to n1 dash plus n2 dash, that means total sample size. Total sample size. So given ratio of the sizes of strata, given ratio of the sizes strata, n1 by n2 is 11, that means n1 equals to 11 n2. and the ratio of standard size alpha sigma 1 by sigma 2 is 9. So sigma 1 equals to 9 sigma 2, and here the ratio of sample sizes for arbitrary allocation n1 by n2 and the ratio of sample size for Neyman allocation n1 dash by n2 dash. Okay, so both of this ratio, what will be the result here, is 2. Okay, so arbitrary allocation, let's denote the ratio of sample sizes arbitrary allocation as n1 by n2 equals to k. This implies n1 equals to k n2. Okay, so in Neyman allocation, n1, the sample sizes are proportional to sample sizes are proportional to ni sigma I. That means n1 dash divided by n2 dash. Okay, that means here the result is n1 sigma 1 divided by n2 sigma 2. So the result is 11 n2 into 9 sigma 2 divided by n2 sigma 2 equals to 99. This implies n1 dash equals to 99 n2 dash. So given ratio, the ratio is k by 99 equals to 2. That means k equals to 198. So for the arbitrary allocation n1 by n2 equals to 198. That means the value of n1 is 198 n2. So the variance of this estimator, the population mean under stratified sampling is given by variance of y bar equals to 1 by n square into ni square sigma 1 square n1 square divided by sigma 1 square divided by n1 into n2 square sigma 2 square divided by n2. So arbitrary allocation is, what is the arbitrary allocation here? So arbitrary allocation is V arbitrary y bar, that means 1 by n square. Okay, so here I can substitute Here I can substitute n1 equals to 11n2 and sigma 1 equals to 9 sigma 2, and n1 n1 equals to 198 n2. That means variance of arbitrary y bar equals to 1 by n square 11 n2 whole square divided into 9 sigma 2 whole square divided by 198 n2 plus n square into square sigma 2 square divided by n2. So what will be the result here after solving these? The result is 1 by n square. Here the result is 121 into 9, that means 9801 n2 square sigma 2 square divided by 198 n2 plus n2 square sigma 2 square divided by n2. So what is the value here? V arbitrary bar 1 by n square equals to 49 divided by n2 square sigma 2 square divided by 198 n2. So what is the result here? The result is 9999 by 198 n2 square sigma 2 square divided by n square n2. So what is the result? That means 50.5 n2 square sigma 2 square divided by n square by n into n2. So what is the result? This is the result for V arbitrary y bar. Now we are finding V Neyman y bar. So V Neyman y bar equals to 1 by n square n1 square alpha sigma 1 square divided by n1 dash plus n2 square sigma 2 square divided by n2 dash. So what will be the result here? Here the same calculation. Here I can putting n1 equals to 11n2 and sigma 1 equals to 9 sigma 2 and n1 dash equals to 9 n2 dash. sorry, 99 n2 dash. So what is the result after solving this? v Neumann can be v Neumann of y bar can be 100 into square sigma 2 square divided by n square n 2 dash. So comparison this precision, the arbitrary allocation of v arbitrary y bar that is 50.5 into square sigma 2 square divided by n square n 2 and v Neumann y bar 100 into n square into square sigma 2 whole square divided by into square n square n 2 dash. So given that n2 equals to n2 dash, since the total sampling size n is same for both allocation, so v arbitrary of y bar equals to 50.5 so we can find the ratio of their variances. So what is the result? v Neumann y bar divided by v arbitrary y bar. So what is the result here? 100 into square sigma 2 square divided by n square n 2 divided by 50.5 into square sigma 2 square divided by n square into, so here both in this term will be cancelled out, and so what is the result here? 100 by 50.5, that means that is near about to 1.98. so what is the result here? The ratio factor, so the arbitrary allocation more precise than the Neumann allocation by a factor of 1.98. so the correct answer is 1.98. so आज के लिए इतना ही। ऐसे बहुत सारा वीडियो को आप जानकारी के लिए जुड़े रहिए हमारे साथ। तो इसका आंसर निकला है रेशियो का, न्यूमैन एंड फैक्टर का रेशियो का आंसर निकला है 1.98। ऐसे ही वीडियो का जानकारी के लिए जुड़े रहिए हमारे साथ, और फॉर लेटेस्ट वीडियो अपडेट प्लीज़ क्लिक ऑन द बेल आइकॉन और हमारा चैनल को भी सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। चलिए मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। थैंक यू चैम्प्स।